Unboxing the creator MrBeast, inspiration for many YouTubers.
Jimmy Donaldson, better known in this virtual world as MrBeast, was born in the United States on May 7, 1998. He is credited with creating the genre of YouTube videos that focus on pricey stunts. His primary channel is the fourth most subscribed channel, and it comes as the most subscribed individual YouTube channel with more than 120 million when this video was made. Millions of fans from all over the world look up to the content creator, philanthropist, and businessman as an inspiration, and he has established himself as one of a framework of the YouTube community. But viewers must also be aware of a few little-known details about the real man behind the legend if they want to call themselves true admirers of MrBeast. Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Technical Domain. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that I could create more video like this in upcoming days and entertain you. Today's video is something different. Our topic today is about a creator who amazed and inspired YouTubers in both ways. We will talk about some lesser-known interesting facts about Jimmy Donaldson, aka MrBeast. Watch until the end for interesting facts about him. YouTube's biggest philanthropist. He is referred to as YouTube's biggest philanthropist and persuaded Twitter's Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk to contribute money to his fundraiser to plant 20 million trees. Donaldson aka MrBeast uploaded his first ever YouTube video in February 2012, when he was just 13 years old. In January 2017, MrBeast uploaded a video of himself counting to 100,000. He later admitted that it took him 44 hours to complete. This video quickly became a viral hit. Four of Donaldson's childhood pals, Chris, Chandler, Garrett, and Jake, have joined him and the channel as employees as he has expanded his channel. MrBeast Gaming, MrBeast 2, previously MrBeast Shorts, Beast Reacts, and Beast Philanthropy are just a few of the other YouTube channels he maintains. Donaldson won Creator of the Year award 3 times at the Streamy Awards in 2020, 2021, and 2022. He also won Favorite Male Social Star Award at 2020 Kids' Choice Awards. After reaching 750,000 subscribers and moving in with his best friend Chris Tyson in a modest home, Donaldson signed his first brand agreement. Instead of wasting the money on fanciful items, he made a YouTube video in which he gave a homeless person a $10,000 check. MrBeast now receives millions of dollars from his various YouTube channels every month, and he invests those funds in new content, tech startups, creating new gaming controllers, and even a sort of fast food chain called MrBeast Burger. Fans can order a MrBeast burger through an app or Uber Eats thanks to Donaldson's.
There are currently over 1,000 MrBeast burger kitchens across North America and Europe. The 24-year-old has revealed that he suffers from the chronic inflammatory bowel disease Crohn's disease. His older brother CJ Donaldson also owns a channel named CJ These Days with more than 4 million subscribers. Comment down more interesting facts you know about MrBeast. This is all for today. I hope you like this video. If you guys want to see more interesting video like then, please subscribe my channel and also press the notification bell so that you get to see more interesting videos like this. See you in the next videos. Until then, bye and take care.